According to Goldman Sachs, 300 million jobs will be affected by AI in the next 5 years. But here's what nobody's telling you. It's not AI that will replace you. It's the person sitting next to you who learned to use it. The workforce is splitting right now. On one side, people without AI skills, struggling, stressed, falling behind. On the other side, those with AI expertise, thriving, promoted, irreplaceable. Goldman Sachs projects 300 million jobs will be transformed by AI. Not in 10 years, not in 5. This is happening right now, while you're watching this. I've trained over 10,000 professionals, and I've noticed something. People fall into 3 groups. The deniers, 30%, still saying it's just hype. The dabblers, 60%. They tried ChatGPT once, got mediocre results. And the experts, just 10%, who integrated AI and are now dominating their fields. Here's the question. Which group do you want to be in 6 months from now? Let me tell you about Marcus, business analyst, drowning in 60-hour weeks, going nowhere. 3 months after learning AI, he automated 70% of his reports. His boss thought he'd hired an assistant. 6 months later, 35%, raise and a promotion to senior analyst. Jennifer was stuck as a marketing coordinator. Average output, average results. Then she learned to use AI for content creation and analysis. Within months, she was producing what used to take 3 people. They couldn't not promote her. She's now marketing manager with a team reporting to her. David's story is different. His company was downsizing. He was on the list. But instead of panicking, he spent 2 weeks learning AI, then showed leadership how it could save them $200,000 annually. They didn't just keep him, they promoted him to lead the implementation. AI didn't save his job. AI expertise made him invaluable. The market is screaming for AI talent. Job postings requiring AI skills? Up 890%. Salary premium for AI expertise? $15,000 to $50,000 more per year. Career advancement for AI-skilled workers? 2 to 3 times faster than everyone else. The opportunity is massive, but only if you move now. Right now, having AI skills makes you stand out. It makes you impressive. It gets you promoted. But there's a window. In 18 to 24 months, AI skills won't be impressive anymore. They'll be expected. They'll be baseline. The people learning now, they'll have a 5 to 10-year head start over everyone else. The window is open, but it's closing. So what do you actually need? Not coding, not data science, not machine learning. You need 5 practical skills. Prompt engineering that gets results. Workflow automation that runs while you sleep. AI-powered analysis that turns data into decisions. Strategic application, knowing when to use AI and when not to. And career positioning that makes sure everyone knows you're the AI expert. These aren't technical skills. They're practical skills. And you can learn them in weeks, not years. Imagine saving 10 to 20 hours every single week. Think about that. An extra workday, every week, forever. What would you do with that time? Finally start that project. Spend it with your family, or just breathe. You might be thinking, can't I just learn this on YouTube? Sure, if you want to spend 100 hours watching conflicting advice, learning in circles, with no structure, no frameworks, and no career strategy. Most people who try to learn AI from free resources end up more confused than when they started. Scattered information isn't learning, it's just noise. That's why we created AI for everyone, a complete system that takes you from I'm anxious about AI to I'm the AI expert. Everyone asks for help. From confused to confident, from replaceable to irreplaceable. Here's what you get: 9 comprehensive modules covering everything from setup to career positioning, 24 hours of structured training, 200 ready-to-use prompts you can copy and paste starting today, 135 proven frameworks for every common business task. This isn't theory. Every single lesson includes something you can implement immediately. Your journey has 3 phases. Foundation, where you master the fundamentals, set everything up properly, and learn to stay secure. Application, where you become an expert at prompting, get role-specific skills for your exact job. And mastery, where you build automation systems and position yourself as the AI expert who gets promoted. Beginner to expert. One clear path. 10 to 20 hours saved. Every week. Automate your reports, your analysis, your content creation, your research. All the repetitive work that drains your energy and steals your time. Gone. You'll reclaim your time for work that actually matters. AI skills command premium salaries. 15 to 40% increases are common within 18 months. We're not talking about small bumps. We're talking about positioning yourself for raises, promotions, and opportunities that weren't even on your radar before. But here's what's really valuable: becoming the person everyone turns to. When your company needs to implement AI, you're leading it. When there's a promotion, you're first in line. When there's uncertainty, you're the one with answers. That's career acceleration. That's becoming irreplaceable. So what does this cost? Less than your monthly coffee budget. This training? One time. Lifetime access. And if you get just one promotion from this, that's 100 times return on your investment. Maybe more. And there's zero risk. 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see measurable time savings, if you don't see career impact, if you're not satisfied for any reason, full refund. No questions, no hassle. I'm that confident this will transform how you work. You have 2 paths forward. Path 1. Wait and see. Keep working the same way. Watch your colleagues advance. Feel that anxiety grow every month. Eventually, you'll be forced to learn AI when it's no longer impressive. Just expect it. Path 2. Act now. Invest 3 weeks. Save 10+ hours weekly. Position yourself as the expert. Get promoted while others are still thinking about it. Lead while they follow. Here's what I want you to do. Right now. Click the link below this video. You'll see the complete course breakdown, every module explained, real testimonials from people just like you. And yes, the full pricing. Take 5 minutes. Look at what's included. See if this is right for you. But don't close this page and say, "I'll look at it later." Later becomes never. Do it now. Remember this: every single week you wait, the gap between you and AI-skilled professionals gets wider. Every week, someone else is learning these skills, building these systems, positioning themselves for your next promotion. The people who act in the next 48 hours will be AI experts in 90 days. Everyone else will still be thinking about it. Few weeks from now, you'll be one of 2 people. Person 1 says, "I'm so glad I invested in myself. My career has completely changed. I wish I'd done this years ago." Thousands of professionals have already transformed their careers with this training. They're saving time. They're earning more. They're future-proofing their careers while others are still hesitating. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. And you get to choose. Watch it happen or lead it. The link is in the description below. Click it, review the course, make your decision. But whatever you do, don't let fear of change keep you stuck while the world moves forward.